Hello and welcome to Ontario Without Barriers, a channel where we discuss different resources for adults with physical disabilities. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In our last week's video, we will be discussing mobility aids, custom orthotic braces, compression garments, lymphedema pumps, prosthetic breasts or limbs, funded by ADP. To determine if you qualify for any of these equipments and supplies, please refer to the Access Granted video, which will be linked in the description. Mobility aids. Types of mobility aids covered: power add-ons, positioning devices, forearm crutches, wheeled walkers for adults, pediatric walkers, standers, and strollers. Replacements. You can apply to replace your mobility aid if your medical condition or functional ability has changed, and your current mobility aid no longer meets your needs. Your body size has changed, and your current mobility aid no longer fits. The mobility aid is worn out, no longer covered by warranty, and cannot be repaired at a reasonable cost. Based on my experiences, you can get a new wheelchair every couple of years or so if you're under 18 because you are growing more rapidly. After 18, you may be eligible for every 5 years, depending on the state of your wheelchair, your health, and your weight. To gain a better understanding of the financial contributions of ADP, please watch the Access Granted video. How to apply. Get examined by an occupational therapist or a physiotherapist registered with ADP. You have to request to be referred to an OT or PT through your family doctor or community support services. After your OT or PT finishes your assessment, they will determine if you require a new mobility device and will submit an application to be sent to ADP. If your mobility needs are complex, you may be referred to a seating clinic rather than a community OT or PT. The downside is some seating clinics will have a wait list of up to a year or more. The wait list is not based on your wheelchair status, instead is a first-come, first-served basis. After submitting your application, ADP will aim to review your application within 8 weeks of receiving it. If you order or buy the mobility aid before ADP has completed the review and your application is denied, you are responsible for the full cost. Central equipment pool. If you require a power wheelchair, especially one with a tilt or recline, then you will receive it through the Central Equipment Pool for High Technology Wheelchairs. The Central Equipment Pool for High Technology Wheelchairs provides Assistive Devices Program clients throughout Ontario with high-quality new and recycled power wheelchairs and powered tilt and recline units. All eligible individuals who apply for ADP funding assistance for power wheelchairs that include power dynamic tilt and or recline must obtain their equipment from the CEP. Requests for the addition of power dynamic tilt and or recline to an existing power wheelchair must also go through CEP. To summarize, if you need a mobility device, you have to get referred to an OT/PT, then they do the assessment and fill out the application. If approved, then you start the process of getting and customizing the wheelchair. In my experiences, the process of getting a new custom wheelchair can take up to a year or more. Getting referred to a seating or mobility clinic can take a year based on the wait list. Then waiting for ADP funding applications will take a few months. Then customizing the wheelchair will take another several months. Because of this, I always suggest to my clients to never wait until your wheelchair is completely broken to start the process. The moment you start to outgrow the wheelchair or the wheelchair displays mechanical issues, talk to your OT or PT right away and see if you can start the process. At the worst, they will tell you no, rather than telling you that you should have contacted them 2 years ago. Custom orthotic braces, compression garments, and lymphedema pumps. In addition to the general requirements for ADP funding, there are additional requirements for orthotic braces, compression garments, and pumps. To qualify for a custom orthotic brace, you must have a physical disability requiring a custom orthotic brace for 6 months or longer. To qualify for a compression garment, you must have primary and secondary lymphedema or hypertrophic scarring. Pumps are funded for primary lymphedema only. Garments and pumps. Through the Assistive Devices Program, they help cover the cost of orthotics for hypertrophic, raised scars or results from burns, compression garments, sleeves, and extremity pumps. For a full list of approved items, a link is in the description. Replacing garments. If you qualify and your application is approved, you will receive replacement garments for 2 years as needed. You must reapply and get re-examined after that 2-year period. Replacing pumps. You can apply to replace a pump if your medical condition and or functional ability has changed and the equipment no longer meets your needs. The equipment is worn out, no longer covered by warranty, and cannot be repaired at a reasonable cost. What is not covered? ADP does not cover garments and pumps used for specific conditions such as pre- and post-operative use and acute physical conditions. For a full list of conditions not covered, a link is in the description. Custom orthotic braces. ADP covers the cost of standing frames, arms, legs, spinal braces, reciprocating gait orthoses, replacing custom orthotic braces. You can apply to replace an orthotic stander or braces only when your medical condition and/or functional ability has changed and the equipment no longer meets your needs. The equipment is worn out, no longer covered by warranty, and requires repairs that cannot be done at a reasonable cost. Types of orthotics not covered. ADP only covers equipment fitted to you and made for your particular needs. ADP does not cover foot orthotics and orthopedic shoes. For a full list of orthotics not covered, a link is in the description. To apply for funding, you must be examined by your family doctor or a specialist to determine your eligibility. The list of types of specialists you can be examined by is linked in the description. As with mobility aids, the application process can take up to 8 weeks. If approved, your vendor will notify you and will set up a date for pickup or delivery. A full list of approved vendors is linked in the description. Prosthetic breasts or limbs. Breast prostheses. ADP will help cover the cost of external silicone breast prostheses for individuals who have had a mastectomy or a lumpectomy, or were born with a deformity of one or both breasts. Replacing breast prostheses. You can apply to replace a breast prosthesis you originally purchased through ADP. The replacement must be needed because of a change in your body shape, size, or your medical condition, normal wear and tear. Types of breast prostheses not covered. ADP does not cover the cost of breast prostheses needed for temporary use, increasing breast size, skeletal deformation, transition to gender identity. The amount reimbursed varies based on the types of breast prosthesis you require. For a full list of the amount reimbursed, a link is in the description. To apply for breast prosthesis, you must find a retailer with a staff trained certified to fit people for breast prosthesis. Buy the prosthetics. You must pay the full cost before submitting your application. ADP advises that you keep the receipts for 2 years. Then fill out the application and mail it to ADP. Prosthetic limbs. Through ADP, they help you cover the cost of prosthetic limbs. If you're born with partially or totally absent arm, or if you lost part of all of your limb due to disease or injury. 2 types of prosthetic limbs are covered are basic upper and lower limb prosthetics and myoelectric upper limb prosthetic. Replacing prosthetic limbs. The replacement must be needed because of growth, atrophy, change in medical condition, normal wear to prosthetic no longer under warranty. Types of prosthetic limbs not covered. ADP does not cover costs for prosthetic limbs needed for occasional use, school, and exercise programs, social or recreational use. To apply for prosthetic limb, find an amputee team registered with ADP and they will help you complete the application. ADP does not provide funding to replace any items that were damaged or lost through neglect or misuse. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. Tune in next week where we will discuss other resources for adults with physical disabilities.